With hundreds of exchanges available in 2025, choosing the right one can really be confusing. Some of these exchanges focus on security, some of them focus on low trading fees, P2P trading, or beginner-friendly tools. So in this video, I'm going to break down some of the best crypto exchanges in 2025. I will also explain what each of these exchanges is good at and help you decide which one fits your needs. Now, here is a quick disclaimer. This video is only for information and education purpose. It does not constitute any financial advice. It is important to always do your own research before using any exchange. Leave a like to the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time we put out a new video just like this. Alright guys, so let's start with CoinEx. CoinEx is a global exchange that was launched since 2017. It is popular for its low trading fees, wide coin selection, P2P market trading, but of course the availability of these features depend on where you are. So always go ahead and check if any feature is available in your location. It also has a very simple user interface, which is actually good for beginners. Users can easily buy and sell cryptocurrency through spot trading using market or limit order. CoinEx also supports a large number of altcoins, making it appealing to traders who want more than just the major coins. Now, for advanced users, CoinEx also offers future tradings and margin trading. CoinEx also includes the P2P markets where users can buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with each other. Now, this feature is specifically useful in regions where traditional fiat is limited. Their user interface is also very clean and easy for beginners to start with. Now, in overall, CoinEx is a solid choice for users looking for low trading fees, altcoins, and P2P trading. And you can get their application on both Google Play Store and also App Store. Again, make sure you do your own research before you trade on any crypto exchange. Alright, so up next is Kraken. It's one of the oldest crypto exchanges. It was founded in 2011 and it is widely respected for its strong security and regulatory compliance. Now, Kraken allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using fiat currencies, making it convenient for bank deposits and withdrawals. It also offers advanced trading features like spot trading, margin trading, and future trading with reliable liquidity and execution. Now, the sad news is that it does not support P2P marketplace. Also, the interface can feel a little bit complex for beginners. Now, Kraken is best for users who prioritize security, trust, and regulation over simplicity or P2P access. Up next is Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the most beginner-friendly crypto exchanges in the world. It was launched in 2012 and heavily regulated and publicly listed, which actually add a high level of trust. Now, buying and selling crypto on Coinbase is very simple. It supports bank card, bank transfers, and other payment methods in supported countries. Now, Coinbase also offers an advanced trading mode with low fees, but in overall, their fees are higher than other exchanges. Now, the downside is that there is no P2P market and the number of altcoins are limited. Now, Coinbase is actually ideal for people who want a more regulated platform, but it is actually less appealing to advanced traders. Now, up next is Binance. Binance is of course the largest crypto exchange out there. Launched in 2017, it offers one of the most complete crypto ecosystem. Users can buy and trade crypto through spot trading, instant purchases, and various fiat options depending on your region. Binance supports spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, NFTs, and more. It also has one of the largest P2P marketplaces in the world, making it very popular in emerging markets. However, Binance interface can feel overwhelming for beginners. Now, Binance is best for active traders, low fees, and strong P2P liquidity. Now, up next is OKX. OKX is also another major exchange launched in 2017. It is known for combining trading and Web3 tools. It also supports spot trading, derivatives, and a third-party fiat options depending on your location. It also offers future trading, options, margin trading, staking, and built-in P2P marketplace. Their interface is also modern and feature-rich, but it may require some learning from beginners. Now, OKX is best for users who want advanced features and also P2P access. Now, the question is, which exchange should you use? Well, it all depends on your need. If you want a maximum security, Kraken is the top notch. If you are a beginner, Coinbase is the easiest one to learn. If you want low fees, strong P2P tradings, Binance stands out. And if you want advanced tools and flexibility, OKX stands out for that. And finally, if you're looking for altcoins, low fees, P2P market access, CoinEx is worth considering. Now here is a safety tip. Remember, exchanges are not wallets, so only keep what you need for trading. Also enable two-factor authentication and consider using a personal wallet for long-time storage. Now, if this video helps you, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on future videos just like this. And remember, this video is only for information and education purpose. Please do your own research before using any crypto exchange. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.